Problem. Solve x plus y plus 2z equal to 9. 2x plus 4y minus 3z equal to 1. And 3x plus 6y minus 5z equal to 0. Solve the system of non-homogeneous linear equations. Non-homogeneous linear equations by the Gauss elimination method. Listen. System of equations x plus y plus 2z equal to 9, 2x plus 4y minus 3z equal to 1 and 3x plus 6y minus 5z equal to 0. Write the matrix form of this system of linear equations. Matrix form. Matrix form. That is, listen, here the variables are x, y and z. First write the coefficient matrix. What is the coefficient matrix? Here x means 1x. So here 1. Then y is 1y. 2z is 2. Then 2x, 4y minus 3z. Last equation is 3x, 6y minus 5z into the unknown matrix. That is, unknown values are x, y and z equal to the constant matrix. That is 9, 1, 0. Then first we write augmented matrix. Listen. Augmented matrix. Write the augmented matrix. What is augmented matrix? Augmented matrix. Listen, this matrix is denoted as A matrix. That is, the coefficient matrix is A matrix. Then this unknown matrix is B matrix. And the unknown matrix is X matrix, and the constant matrix is B matrix. Listen, the coefficient matrix is A matrix and the variable matrix, that is unknown matrix, is X matrix, capital X, and the constant matrix is denoted as B matrix. That is generally AX equal to B. So listen, augmented matrix. What is the augmented matrix? Augmented matrix is denoted as AB. That is, the elements of A and B are written side by side is called the augmented matrix. What is the augmented matrix? The elements of matrix A and matrix B are written side by side is called the augmented matrix. That is, the augmented matrix AB is 1, 1, 2, 2, 4 minus 3, 3, 6 minus 5, 9, 1, 0. That is this A and B together. This matrix is called augmented matrix. So first we write the augmented matrix AB. Then listen. First write the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix AB equal to 1, 1, 2, 9, 2, 4 minus 3, 1, 3, 6 minus 5, 0. This is augmented matrix. Then convert this matrix to upper triangular matrix. Listen, upper triangular matrix. Convert this augmented matrix to the upper triangular matrix. What is upper triangular matrix? Listen. This is the diagonal elements. This 1, 4 minus 5. This is diagonal. The elements below the diagonal are zeros. That is the elements below the diagonal are zeros. That is this place, this is 2 1. Place 2 1. This is 3 1. This is 3 2. These three places are zeros. This matrix is called upper triangular matrix. Then our aim is to convert this augmented matrix to a upper triangular matrix. That is, these three elements are zeros. Then upper triangular matrix. Then listen. That is, this element 2 and this 3 will be zeros. Convert this and this. First we convert this 2 and 3 will be zeros. For that we apply the transformations. We apply the transformation. Listen. This place will be 0, means 2 minus 2 into 1. So we get this place 0. 2 minus 2 into 1 is 0. Here 3 minus 3 into 1. That is R2. This place is second row. This place is 1 1 place. Second row. That is R2 gives R2 minus 2 R1. And R3 gives R3 minus 3 R1. Listen. 2 minus 2 into 1. 3 minus 3 into 1. That is, R2 gives R2 minus 2 R1. R3 gives R3 minus 3 R1. R1 is fixed. So first we write R1. 1, 1, 2, 9. R1 same. First row. R1 is first row. First row is same. Then second row. Listen. R2 gives R2 minus 2 R1. R2 minus 2 R1. Listen. R2. 2. R2 is 2. Then another one 4. Next element minus 3 and 1. Minus 2 into R1. Here 2 element is 2. The corresponding R1 is 1. Then here the element is 4. The corresponding R1 is 1. Then here minus 3. Here the R1 is 2. Then here 1. The R1 is 9. That is, listen, 2 minus 2 into 1. That is 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then 4 minus 2 into 1. That's 4 minus 2 is 2. Then listen, this is minus 3 minus 4. Minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. Then 1 minus 2 into 9 is 18. That is 1 minus 18, which is minus 17. That is, the elements are 0, 2, minus 7, minus 17. 0, 2, minus 7, minus 17. Okay. Then next transformation is R3 gives R3 minus 3 R1. R3 minus 3 R1. What is R3? 3, 6, minus 5, 0, minus 3 R1. R1 is 1, 1, 2, 9. It's 1, 1, 2, 9. Listen, 3 minus 3, 0. 6 minus 3, 3. Minus 5, minus 6. It's minus 11. Then 0 minus 3 into 9, 27. It's minus 27. That is, the elements are 0, 3, minus 11, minus 27. Then our aim is to convert upper triangular matrix. That is, this place, 0. Then one more place is there, this 3. Next our aim is to convert this 3 will be 0. This 3 will be 0. That is, first we convert this diagonal element. That is, in the second column, the diagonal element is 2, 2 place, 2, 2. second element of the second row, that is this element 2. First we convert this 2 will be 1. That is this is R2. This 2 in second row. So R2 gives R2 by 2. Listen, R2 gives R2 by 2. That is 1, 1, 2, 9. R1 same. Also R3 same. No change in R1 and R3. So here R2 gives R2 by 2. That is 0 by 2. 0. 2 by 2. 1. Minus 7 by 2. Minus 17 by 2. Next, we convert this 3 to 0. Convert this 3 to 0. For that, 3 minus 3 into 1. We use this one. This is the diagonal one. We use the diagonal element to convert zeros. So 3 minus 3 into 1. Listen, 3 minus 3 into 1 means R3 gives R3 minus 3 R2. This one. Second place. Second element of the second row. That is R2. This is the diagonal one. So we use this one. Then R3 is 0. 3 minus 11. And right here. Listen. Right here. 0. 3 minus 11 and minus 27 minus 3 R2. 3 R2. What is R2? R2 is 0, 1, minus 7 by 2, minus 17 by 2. Listen, 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then 3 minus 3 is again 0. Then third one is, listen, here minus 11 minus, that is minus 11 plus 7 into 3, 21 by 2. That is here, I will write here. Minus 11 plus 21 by 2, that is minus 22 plus 21 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2. That is R1 no change. 1, 1, 2, 9. R2 is 0, 1, minus 7 by 2, minus 17 by 2. Then R3 is 0, 0. Then minus 1 by 2 here. One more value is there, one more value. This is minus 27. Listen, this one. Minus 27 plus, this minus into minus, plus 17 into 3. 17 into 3. 7 3s are 21, 2, and 51 divided by 2. That is equal to 2 into minus 27 minus 54 plus 51 whole divided by 2. That is minus 3 by 2. Listen, here minus 3 by 2. That is our last matrices. Our last matrix is last matrix will be 1, 1, 2, 9, 0, 1, minus 7 by 2, minus 17 by 2, and last row 0, 0, minus 1 by 2, and minus 3 by 2. Okay, check, this is upper triangular matrix or not. What is upper triangular matrix? This is the diagonal. Then below the diagonal, all the elements are zeros. So this is upper triangular matrix. Then again we convert the linear equations. Listen, what is the linear equation of this matrix? This is the first equation, that is 1x1, 1x plus 1y plus 2z. This is x terms, second column is y terms, third one is z term, and the constant term, right side term, constant. Here 1x plus 1y plus 2z equal to 9. This is the first equation. Then second equation will be, listen, 0x plus y minus 7 by 2 z equal to minus 17 by 2. Then last one, 0x plus 0y minus 1 by 2 z equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, here the third equation. What is the third equation? 0x plus 0y minus 1 by 2 z equal to minus 3 by 2. That is 0x plus 0y means 0. So here minus 1 by 2 z equal to minus 3 by 2. From here we get the value of z. Here what is z? This minus z equal to minus 3, that is z equal to 3. From the last equation we get the value of z. We get z equal to 3. Then listen, this is second equation. Second equation contains only y and z. Second equation contains only y and z. Here we get the value of z. So we substitute here the value of z. We get the value of y. That is the second equation is y minus 7 by 2 z equal to minus 17 by 2. That is y minus 7 by 2 into z equal to 3. That is minus 17 by 2. This is y minus 7 into 3, 21 by 2 equal to minus 17 by 2. That is y minus 21 by 2 equal to minus 17 by 2. That is y equal to, here minus 17 by 2, this minus 21 by 2, to the right side we get plus 21 by 2. That is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. We get the value of y. Y is 2. From the third equation we get the value of z. Second equation we get the value of y. Then in the first equation contains x, y and z. We know that the value of z and the value of y. So we substitute this y and z in this equation. First equation we get the value of x. We get the value of x. That is x plus y plus 2z equal to 9. This is the first equation. Here x plus, what is y? Y is 2 plus 2 into value of z is 3, which is equal to 9. That is x plus 2 plus 6 equal to 9. That is x plus 8. 6 plus 2 is 8 equal to 9. That is x equal to 9 minus 8, which is 1. So we get the value of x also. That is, here we get the value of z, here we get the value of y, and we get x. That is solution of this homogeneous linear equation is non-homogeneous linear equation is x equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to 3. That is, first we convert the linear equation to matrix form, then convert that matrix to the upper triangular matrix, then back substitution. Again we convert to the linear equations, then we get the three equations, then third equation. From the third equation we get the value of z, then we get the value of y, then we get the value of x. So this is the solution of non-homogeneous linear equations.